oro manjak faijak joto adongrok sini TWF ni social worker MDC Act Minister tai NLFT returnees ni Secretary General Upendra Rial jotonol khulmung yafaro tai oro fai manjak faijak joto takung bukuk semua khulmung yafaro TSF ningi sengasuk jolana galak doma kok sanai tongo ang thaija thaidiru sanai sing saimanu tinini o salo 8 tarik Januari wo sing sini odika di bagai sini rights ni bagai khorang tise thani wo silai guli bai kogui suno attack khaikya o attack khaibani abongkha sini rights sini odika no attack khaibani si abo sini tiprasone attack khaibani asalo je tongnai rokno sumutu poi thanaya je lead khlainai rokno bo afroni general secretary borongganang sunil tai borongganang biswajit goloi former president tai batongo abakina borongganang Anthony borongganang Manov borong afro lead khlaikya tai bo sini borongganang Bishu Kumar Debbarma TSF ni former kasam borong lead khlaikya andolono subonglo pokman ni kokya amo haikeno sumlukha asalo je andolon khai tongfruo silai kokha nasigi silai kong em nausi kong je video lukmani अब केवल पार्टी ने अटैक खाई मनी गया अब सबने अटैक खाई अब अटैक खाई मनी खा जितनी प्रासने अटैक खाई मनी तिनी कबां मा ओ सालो बुइमुइतु खायांग मानु हाइपर TSF समुइतु खाय जों पगै माने तामनि बागै ओ ति प्रासानि बागै मानथायनि बागै खरां तिसावै कक जिरगि तंफ्रुओ sini collective rights sing mini way je sini andron khlaimani o odikari bagi andron khaidiribo attack claim sini khorano suppress khlaina naimani kintu khlaimani aborok baksa borok pogui thangana angmuitu khlaina musungu je pognai rokno yang ti nai tongnai rokno sungkun dinon pognani kodia sing sarak tipra jet tipra sa tongnai rok su TSF sinia su tini salo je kosom sal hni su palai nango sini bukhawo khawo chomoi tai sin thai janja da thayo su palai nango kilut su nugia sinti prosarong no amo belai saya omo attack ka sini thani si telo su nugo tabo ang video clip khnari wan no tai bisikri juri khana ka ke sin nukha sa attack khaiman ja globo Chief Minister Tamsan tabu ba attack khlai dongku botam na attack khlai sini lukorop sung baksa bujinani sini odikar man thaino attack khlai dong tabu bo okosom salo sing omoro muitu mak khlai nai Chief Minister Tamsan Kokborok no Roman script by Riyafu Kami bagi bidesi bahasa. Tai se সংবিধান Swijak tongfu. Bonang phunu din song. Ei churi ni bozar Swijak tong. Langan borok no thok onani. Ti prasar no divide klaidani confusion tunani thungi tong. Sing clear bang thai. Buitini hanan baksa. Omo rasitini kok sauni nu amo sini odika di bagisi amo sun khelmak klaite bar khaine ke bini white ham bokun dino riapu white ham like na bodo malik Chief Minister the Nok Fang development khlaideni real development asol development bahake nganin gake o sungti prasor bahake sungsini buskangni thinano lubna musung amosi development amosi sungma boji thai amo bo attack khlaidong je bobini kok samani gake abo it's an attack on Tiprasa but Tiprasa se attack khlaidong sing Tiprasa baksa bujiya o attack khlaijamani khlaijagi to sungtam mai sinai siabo sini itchasi judicial Roman script se foreign script ngake Supreme Court of English ban choli blasa proceeding Supreme Court of English ban nongle bo mana rakhaiman office by English ban choli tongla কিন্তু শুনো কাকে দি পার্সন সিয়া রেনে থপকনানি নাই শুনো ডিভাইড খাইনি আমকে স্টেটমেন্ট যে চিফ মিনিস্টার গই নাই আম বেলাই সেলেক মাসিস আবো শুন দি পার্সন সে সিটাই আরনো শুন বড় তাইসা ইয়াকুম রবি নাই লগেরি দङ সাবর আ পার্টিও হাবিনো Origani kok saya bukuk cup apa sung sitai apa jodoh di prasarono sung sawinai sung sitai ini sung bonon logiri dong sung wang sung jora faikya baksa batam hang je khajara khai dong anu bonon khai dong anu amti bo wang sumani tongi man tomo tongo je khanya na boron lead khai boron khai tong nai bonglo boro mangke sungmana na amti smi wang sumi tong kintu niji odikar ni bagai basawi kok sawi fight khlaidani amno wang sugya amon bain sung klubu amon tini o gathering day message rohona musu. My message is very clear to the Chief Minister, if he is watching, you are attacking at the rights of the indigenous people. It's an attack, not to the political party, but it's an attack to the people. It's an attack on the rights of the indigenous people. Your thoughts should be clear. If you really want development of the indigenous people, let the development be from our own, not by your dictation. That should be very clear. Chief Minister na ako no saw. Sini odikar no sumari. Je bokok sa no sumi attack si flight ti prasano. Hani bagino. Sung basana nangai. Siklarok Burirok Evo sung buskang mapay nai Kami bakes sung si Bobby Shot Ot di prasani Bobby Shot na sung Abun bagino Tinino kosong salo O salo sung mutu klaitino Sung sini kawabo Sung sini dofen bay mawang sung may Antaya su kok salia or kuma kok sa nai borok mo ani request abono ang kok mutang sekang sung sini Bobby Shot sini future sini tinang sung baket dugna musung abo sini thanisi. My message is very clear to the indigenous youths. How we want to see our future is in our hands, not in the hands of others. How do I want to progress? How do my people want to progress? We have to raise it collectively, and it's a collective voice. Roman script is not a demand of any political party. Roman script is a collective demand of the indigenous people. That should be very clear. Abo blai sing clear ang thai. So when we raise our voice for the adoption of Roman script and the Chief Minister is attacking us, why are we silent? No, we are not silent. There may be some people who are silent, but we are not. And we will never. And we have understood it clearly. The Chief Minister is not attacking anybody else, but attacking on our rights. Attacking the indigenous people. That's very clear. Abon bagino, sung mabasanay, hansaki sung anglor maklaini. Asa kok sawino, ang haino hay, jotono kulmung yafarom, di prasal long live, borok dofal long live. Ambay, kulungka.